Hello everyone, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this makeup look with products from black-owned makeup brands. I'm also going to talk about all the brands I have and all the products I have very briefly. So if you are interested to watch this, stay tuned. I'm making this video to be a small part of creating awareness about Black Lives Matter. I have several thoughts in my mind for the last 3 weeks. I have been literally reading every source I see. I've been reading, and it is pure inequality. I can't really put my feelings in words, but what I've been doing is learning. 2007, when I was sent to US from India, I was given a very wrong picture, and I have learned that it's wrong early on after I came here, and I was able to educate my parents what they told me is wrong. When I'm able to educate my parents, I think I will be able to teach my kids as well. I made sure that I picked schools for Vishwa and Mayuka where there are kids from several ethnicities. The beauty of kids is they don't know anything. For them, everything is equal. I think as elders, we also have to have that clean slate. If you still don't know what is happening in US in terms of Black Lives Matter, please go ahead and read some articles and learn about what is happening. I have a makeup channel here, so I thought I'll introduce you to some black-owned makeup brands so you can go ahead and support them as well. I went through every drawer and pulled out the products that I have from black-owned makeup brands. These are the brands I'm aware of, but I'll be going around and checking out other brands as well. I will put links to all the products I mentioned in the description box below. First brand I have here is colored Raine, and this is the palette I have. This is a very popular palette. This is the Queen of Hearts palette, and the quality and colors is beautiful. This is one of my favorite palettes as well. You can see how much dent I made in a lot of colors. I have used a couple of colors from this palette to create this eye look, and I would totally recommend getting this palette. This is the next brand I have here is McGrath. It's a very popular brand. The packaging is amazing. It's one of a kind packaging, and these lipsticks are very luxurious, and how they look, how they feel on the lips is beautiful. I'm actually wearing one of the shades on my lips, which is Flesh 3. It's a beautiful nude color, and I have some lip gloss on top which I'm going to talk about, but I would totally recommend these lipsticks. I love these. The quality is just amazing, and I have been seeing these lipsticks going on sale lately, so if you want to pick them up. The next brand I have here is again a very popular brand. It's Juvia's Place. They are very popular for their eyeshadows. Now I'm going to show the eyeshadows. Now first of all, look at the packaging, but also the colors are very unique. Look at that color story of this palette. It's beautiful, and there is no compromise in terms of quality of the eyeshadows. Oh my god, the pigment is just beyond. These are one of my favorite colored eyeshadow palettes, but also they have some neutrals thrown into these. So the first palette I showed is the Masquerade palette, and this one is the Magic palette. So these are the minis, so they have bigger sizes in this one. So these are mini palettes, and look at how much product you're getting. And I also have their blush volume 2 palette. Comes with a bronzer, beautiful highlighter, and 3 beautiful blushes. Wow, these blushes are gorgeous. But more than the blushes in the palette, I like their single blush in the shade Bella. It's a beautiful coral color. This looks gorgeous on my skin color. Gorgeous. Totally recommend this one. You can get these products from Ulta or directly from their website. I recently got their foundation as well. There are so many colors in this foundation. Every one of you will find your shade in this. I'm yet to try the one I got. I am in the shade Aruba, and I will be doing a review, but this is a very high coverage foundation I saw, but the color selection in this foundation is just commendable, amazing. And I have their liquid lipsticks. I don't see many people talking about their liquid lipsticks, but these are amazing. This particular shade is called Soil. It's a beautiful orange on my skin color. The formula is just perfect. It's a perfect liquid lipstick and the color is just beautiful. And look at the tribal pattern on the cap. The packaging is 100%. And the next one is a very popular brand, Fenty Beauty. It is created by Rihanna. So Fenty Beauty foundation is my all-time favorite foundation. I'm in the shade 300 and I only have 1/4 of the bottle left. This is one of my new foundations. It's only a couple of years old, I think, and me finishing that much of foundation speaks a lot. So this is my all-time favorite foundation. Looks very natural, very long wearing and very good coverage. Next from Fenty is their matte moisture lipstick, and this is in the shade Freckle Fiesta. Again, a beautiful orange color. Look at that, and the formula is so creamy and so pigmented. That's just one swipe. So that one. And I also have their minis of lip gloss, and this is the Gloss Bomb. Oh my god, this stuff is amazing. This is my most favorite lip gloss, and that's what I have in the center of my lips. It's just an amazing formula of lip gloss. It doesn't have much color, but the formula is beautiful. This is my most favorite. It's not sticky, but it's a very high shine lip gloss. And also I have their highlighter in the shade Hustler Baby. Wow, this is a very beautiful highlighter. It's bam on the face, and this color beautifully blends with my skin color. The next couple of brands I have are drugstore brands. You can get these from Target. And the first brand I have here is by Iman. I worked with them a couple of years back, and that's how I have a lot of products from them. And I have 3 different foundations from them. I've used all 3 and I really like them. I'm not really sure if this brand is black owned, but the brand has products that are targeted for women of color, and that's why I'm talking about this brand in this video. And my shade is Sand 3. This is one of the lightest shades they have, and this is a beautiful foundation. That's what I have on my face right now. It's a nice dewy foundation, so it works beautifully for dry skin or normal skin people the most. But I do have their BB cream that I use very often, and also their stick foundation. And one of my favorite products from Iman is their blush. This is in the shade Sunlit Copper. This particular shade looks amazing on my skin color, and whenever I wear it, I look literally like golden goddess. Very sun-kissed look, and I just love to wear this in summers. It's a beautiful orangey copper color. I also do have a whole bunch of lipsticks from them. These are beautiful standard bullet lipsticks, high pigment, but the shades are very unique and beautiful. In the tutorial, I wore the shade Paprika. Look at that color. It's so unique, you guys. So that is Paprika. It's a copper nude color, but also my favorite shade is Iman Nude. This looks so gorgeous on my lips. It's a nude, but it's a orangey nude color. So this particular lipstick range has some very unique lip shades, and I will be swatching all these lip colors in a separate video. The next brand I have here is Black Radiance. This is also a brand that has products that are targeted for women of color, and I have 4 lipsticks. These are very inexpensive. I think less than $2, but these are standard bullet lipsticks. I actually got these to swatch at one point, but I never did. So that is Black Radiance lipstick. Oh my god, look at that color, you guys. It actually looked like a deep brown color in the packaging, but look at how it translated. So this is in the shade 5027. My most favorite from Black Radiance are their blushes. Wow, you gotta pick one for sure. This one is in the shade Raspberry. Look at the gorgeous shade. It looks like someone actually pinched your lips, so it's that beautiful and natural. These are baked blushes. Another blush, this is actually a bronzer that I actually pull out in summers every year, and this is in the shade Ginger Snap. This actually works for me as a blush plus highlighter. Look at that shine. It looks like a coppery orange color, but it has a lot of shine in it, so I don't have to wear any highlighter. And love that. I don't know if you can see, but when I wear it on my face, it just looks so beautiful. Next time when you are at Target, definitely check out this brand, and I would totally recommend their blushes and also this particular bronzer in Ginger Snap. The next one I have here is a blush, and this is from a brand called Vera More, and I actually picked this up in Manhattan Island in New York at a Duane Reade store. So I'm not sure where else you can find this, but I will put their website in the description. But this is one blush that I reach for very often. The color looks dark in the pan, but the color translates beautifully on my skin color. It's a fantastic formula. Look at that beautiful deep rose color. It looks very good on my skin color. It looks very natural as well. The next one I have here is again a very popular brand, and this is by Beauty Bakery, and you can get these products from Ulta, and this is their flower setting powder, and this is the shade yellow. It's a fantastic powder. It doesn't really translate any color, so you can use this to set your under eyes and also your face, and that's what I used. I use this as my all over setting powder. This brand is known for really good products, but also their packaging is very good. The last two brands I'm going to talk about are indie brands. So this one is a highlighter from the brand JD Glow Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Striking. Oh my god is the only thing I can say about this highlighter. This is the most vibrant highlighter I have in my collection. Totally money's worth, I must say, and this is what I have on my face right now. I had to tone it down to make it look natural on my face, but look at how much you got. Just one swipe and look at how much I have. There you go. Can you see that? It's the most intense, pigmented, a very beautiful highlighter. When you be light-handed, it looks very natural, but if you want to go overboard on your face, you don't have to pack it on. Just one swipe and that's the color you're getting. Oh my god, totally money's worth. I would definitely recommend these highlighters. The last brand I have here is Blot. This is an indie brand, and I actually picked up these products when I went to the makeup show in Dallas. So I have their long lasting lip gloss in the shade Emoji. It is a very pigmented lip gloss, but I use this as a liquid lipstick and it stays on really beautiful. It's a brown, chocolate brown color, and that's the shade. They say it's a lip gloss, but it's a liquid lipstick and it's so pigmented and vibrant. I have two more eyeshadows. I got so impressed with their products that I got two eyeshadows from them. So I have a gold eyeshadow. Look at that gold, and every time I want a nice gold, this is what I reach for, and that's the gold I have on the center of my eyelids. And they also have this blue color. Let me give you the swatches, and of course I'm also going to put the links to their pages in the description. So that's the gold, that's the blue color, really pigmented. So those are all the products I have from black owned makeup brands. Now let's see the tutorial. I'm first going to start my makeup with priming with Becca's First Light Priming Filter. I have an almost dry pimple, so I'm first going to cover that with Milani's Conceal and Perfect Concealer. And then I'm going to go with Iman's foundation. This is a very beautiful foundation. It's dewy, the coverage is very good, and it looks very flawless on the skin, and it stays put for a very long time as well. Then I'm going to color correct my under eyes with Becca color corrector in peach. I think this is light peach. And I'm going to use the Milani Conceal and Perfect Concealer to cover my under eye dark circles, and I'm also going to apply this in the corners of my nose and on the sides of my nose as well. I'm going to set all the base makeup with Beauty Bakery Flower Setting Powder in the shade Yellow. This is a beautiful setting powder, works for setting under eyes and also for the face as well. Looks very flawless and doesn't translate any color. Then for my bronzer, I'm taking the Juvia's Place Volume 2 Blush Palette. I'm going to apply that in the hollows of my cheekbone, jawline, on my temples of my face, and also on the sides of my nose. This is my usual places to lightly bronze my face. Then I'm going to go with a Vera More blush. Look at that, it's very natural and yet pigmented. It's a beautiful deep rose color blush. Complements very well on my skin color. For my highlighter, this is the JD Glow highlighter in Striking. Oh my god, usually I go very hard-handed with highlighters, but this one is exception. I be very careful and I actually tone it down with a powder brush after I'm done applying. So I'm going to apply this on the high points of my face. Then I'm going to quickly finish doing my eyebrows. This is the Maybelline Fashion Brow Pencil. Then I'm going to go with the colored Raine Queen of Hearts palette. I'm going to take that medium brown color and I'm going to pack this in the crease and I'm going to blend this upwards. Then I'm going to take that muted mauve color and use this as a transition color to bring the previous brown color even more. Then I'm going to take the Masquerade Mini palette from Juvia's Place, taking that reddish brown color. I'm going to deepen up the crease even more. And I got cut off after this, but I applied a orangey brown color all over my eyelid from the same palette. Then I'm going to take this beautiful yellow gold eyeshadow from Blot Cosmetics. I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid with my finger, because with finger it gives a very beautiful intensity on the eyes. Then I'm going to tight line my upper and waterline with Mali Beauty eyeliner. Then I'm going to go with e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. Then I'm going to take the Magic palette from Juvia's Place and take that deep navy blue eyeshadow to set my eyeliner and also to smudge along my lower lash line. Then some coats of mascara. This is the Sahi Cosmetics waterproof mascara. And finally for my lips, I'm using the Iman Cosmetic lipstick in Paprika. This is a beautiful orange shade, golden orange shade, and that completes the makeup look. So that's the end of this video. I know this video is very long, but thank you so much for staying put and watching this video till the end. I hope I introduced you to some black owned makeup brands, and that's the purpose of this video. I personally do have some on my wish list from Oma Beauty and also Lip Bar and Denisa Myrix. I do have some brands that I want to check out. If you like this video and found this video helpful, do not forget to hit on the thumbs up button. And also, if this is the first time you're watching my video, please subscribe to my channel and also do follow me on my Instagram. I'm Deepikamakeup there as well. I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye.